Hello everyone, I'm John from Avalon. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about different page types available inside OneWeb mobile platform and how easily you can use them to create menu designs, tabular designs, and generate pop-ups on your mobile pages inside your mobile applications. We will also see how to create a link between pages and set the transition effects. And finally, we will see how to preview and test your applications using the browser. Let's start with different page types. There are 4 different page types available when you either create or add a new page inside your mobile application. These are drawer, tabs, model, and blank. Let's start with drawer. Drawer page type is used to create drawer navigation menu. The mobile navigation menu design is the most important bridge and platform for human-computer interaction that aims at guiding users in the right direction and not getting lost. Good menu design not only just enhance the user experience of the entire product, but also allow users to refreshing their apps. Let's see how to create a menu design for your mobile applications using drawer page type. For today's demonstration, I would start with the same UI design that we have created in our last tutorial and continue to build different page types inside this mobile application. To create a menu page for your application, you can add a new page inside your application with page type as drawer and click on Start Design button. Now you would automatically be redirected to the default menu page. Default menu page consists of toolbar and list items. These 2 UI elements can easily be renamed, and you can also drag and drop other UI elements inside this designer screen to create your desired design. Let me make some changes to create the menu page for this application. For toolbar, I'm using style menu, changing toolbar title, font type, and the toolbar color. So to create my design, I would drag and drop a container, set the desired height, change the background color, add an image, give some padding to create inner space, add some text, replicate it, change font types as required. Now I would select page content to change page background color. Now on list item, you can rename text, font style, and add icons. As you can see here, there are options on the style menu for list item to add icons on either right or left side. You can now add icons, font size, and font type as required. You can enable and disable this divider in style menu to show or remove a line between these list item UI elements. Now you can easily replicate one list item and complete other options by changing text and icons. I'm also adding one logo at the end to complete this menu design. It was just a simple menu design for demonstration. You can create your menu design as per your mobile app requirements. To set this menu page on your mobile application, you can click on Page Settings and set this page as your home page. Drawer page type uses the splitter design layout, which means it will be hidden and would only appear once it will be pulled from the corner. So it is always important to set a default page for your drawer page type. To set a default page for this menu created using drawer page type, you can click anywhere on the designer screen and choose splitter at the bottom design hierarchy. Now here on style menu, you can choose any mobile page to make it as a default page for this menu. I'll choose my landing page, which I have created in my previous tutorial, as a default page. Now you can save and build your application. System will automatically provide you the URL. You can now open this URL on Chrome browser to test your changes. Now you can see your menu page can be seen by pulling from the corner. Now let's see how to open this menu from the toolbar menu button. To open this menu page from landing page on the click of a menu button, you can open your landing page, select that button on the designer screen and add one action. To add action, click on the interaction icon and plus button. Write event name here as click. Choose JavaScript tab. Define any function name. Click on the code icon to open JavaScript editor. Now JavaScript editor would automatically show you your defined function with the default syntax. You can now write this one-line function as mysplitter.left.open and save this action on JavaScript editor. Save your configuration and please ensure that once saved, your edit function must be highlighted under the action list. Save and build this application. You can again test it on the browser to see now how it appears to the end users. As you can see, now you can click on the menu button on your landing page to open your design menu. Creating menu for your mobile app is a very useful way to display all your UI elements well and prioritize content while keeping the functionality of your mobile app.
Let's start with another page type, which is tabs. Tabs page type is used to create tabular designs in your mobile app. Tabs are one of the most used components of mobile UIs. Tabs as interface control are very intuitive and easy to use. To add tabs in your mobile app, you can click on page, add a new page in your mobile app, give page name, choose page type as tabs and click on Start Design. Now you will be redirected to the tab design template. By default, you will see 3 tabs named as tab 1, tab 2 and tab 3. You can click on any tab and use the style menu to change text or even add icons along with the text. Also, you can select any tab, replicate it to create more tabs, or delete any tab if it's not required. Now it is mandatory that all the tabs you create in this template must link to some specific page. Once you click on any tab under specific inside style menu, you can choose a default page for any individual tab. This default page option would display all the mobile pages that built inside this application. So you can choose to select any page and link with the related tab. Once finished, you can click on Save icon to save your configuration. To access other features come with the tab design template, you can click on the designer screen and choose tab bar at the bottom page hierarchy. Now you will see options like swipeable, which if enabled, that users swipe the screen and move from one tab to another when the application is running. We'll keep it enabled. Auto grow to automatically adjust the tab width. Position to display these tabs either top or bottom of your mobile page. Default tab option is used to default user to any of your design tabs by selecting index. Index 0 is for your design tab 1 and so on. Your tab configuration is now completed. Now you can open menu page, which is your home page for this application, and set this tab page as the default page. Now you can save and build this application. As you can see, now you have 3 tabs at the bottom of your landing mobile page. Each tab is linked to a specific page. You can also swipe to move through each tab. Now your application UI is ready with menu and tab design. Let's see another page type that is available inside the mobile platform called Model. Model is used to create pop-ups, dialogues, those little boxes that appear on your screen as an alert and could be used for many purposes such as informational messages, navigation, etc. Although they are a relatively small element of your app, they play a significant role when it comes to your application user experience. To create a pop-up, you can add a new page in your mobile app, give page name, and select page type as Model. Click on Start Design. The system would automatically redirect you to the default model template. Now here you can add text, images, buttons or other UI elements as per your requirements and save your page. Now you can link and test this model. I would link this to our application landing page. Open your application landing page, click on any UI element, let's say icon on your designer screen. In this style menu, under the link section, choose the model icon. All model pages would be shown here. You can select your required page. Also in this link section, you can select any UI element, let's say this calendar text, and link it with any page inside this mobile app. And you can also choose the transition effects. Now you can save and build this application to test it. Let's see runtime results. You can click on this clock icon and your design model alert would start to show up. You can click on this calendar text and it will open up my calendar page with fade transition effect. Also, you can see tabs and menu design. This completes our today's tutorial. For more information on other OneWeb features, please keep watching our next tutorial.